Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So students, in last lecture we have learned our second chapter, communication and information and some sources of information, right? So today we are going to start with our third chapter, that is sources of information. In previous lesson we learned some sources of information, but in this lesson we are going to learn in detail about sources of information. So shall we start with the lesson? Open page number 14, lesson number 3, sources of information. We have learned about information and communication. So in last chapter we have learned what is information and what is communication. We were also introduced to the basic sources of information. So in last chapter we have learned which are the basic sources of information. In that we learn about newspaper, books, magazine, mobile phones, television. These are some basic sources of information. Let us quickly list the sources of information. First one is people by conversations, people teaching, like teacher is teaching you any subject, she is giving you information. Books, television, computer, newspaper and magazine, and radio and mobile phones, right? So today we are going to learn about these sources of information in details. So first sources of information is newspaper and magazines. You all know newspaper students. They have shown us a very different languages newspapers over here in figure 3.1.1 newspaper. Marathi newspaper is there, Hindi newspaper is there, English newspaper is there. I hope you all know about newspaper. There are different types of newspapers and magazines available in the market. So, you can see here different type of newspapers are available in the market. Newspapers are the most common tools for sharing news and information. With the help of newspaper only, we can get to know more about news and we can gather many information with the help of newspaper only. Newspaper contain all the latest information about the country and the world. So students, basically with the help of newspaper, it is very easy to us to gather the information, to know the information about our country as also and about the world also. They also have few pictures, puzzles and advertisements. So in a newspaper, some few pictures are available in the newspaper, some puzzles also are there, and it comes with some advertisement as well. Magazines are books with lots of picture and text. You can see here figure 3.1.2 magazine they have shown us. It's a magazine and it comes with lots of picture and text. A magazine to gives latest information about the country and the world. Like a newspaper give us information about our country and about the world. Same way, the magazines also give us the latest information about the country and as well as about the world as well. Different magazines are available in the market that provide us with the different types of information. So different type of magazines are available in the market. Like suppose you need to know about some latest fashions, some latest equipments. Many different technologies are upcoming and nowadays. For learning about many different things, you need to choose a different kind of magazines and you can collect informations. There are fashion magazines, computer magazines, wildlife magazines, business magazine, travel magazine and many more. So as I told you students, if you want to know about some fashion trends, so you choose go to prefer fashion magazine. And if you are searching about any computer magazine, so you should use a computer magazine. Then wildlife magazine and business magazines. And if you are like to travel to another cities or country, you should choose a travel magazine. And many more types are available in the magazines as well. So basically, magazines and newspapers help us to get information about country and the world. And it comes with few text and the pictures. So I hope you all have understood about newspaper and magazines. Let's proceed further towards second source of information, that is television. You all know television, right? You can see they have shown us a television over here, right? You all know the television. Television is the most common source of information. So it is the most common information that is commonly used in our day-to-day life to gather the information. We can learn nursery rhymes, numbers, different languages, etc. With the help of television, you can learn poems, number, different languages as well, right? You can learn Hindi, Marathi or English with the help of television. Using the different educational programs available on TV. On television, we can saw a different kind of educational programs as well, for learning poems, for learning numbers, and for learning different languages. We get information about the current happenings from the new channels. So on television we have some news channel as well, which also provide us the latest information about the country and the world. What are current situations are happening in the current country or in the world. This we can get to know with the help of television. We learn about sports from the sports channel. We can saw a sports channel as well, and from that channels we can get to know about sports as well. We can also learn a lot of channels like Discovery, Animal Planet, National Geographic, and so on. So students, if you want to collect information about animals, so on television we have another category of channels to learn about the animals. It is Discovery, Animal Planet, National Geographic, and so on. So in television, students, we have different categories of channels. One is cartoon, another one is entertainment. Again, news channels are available there. Then we have some geographical channel as well. So with the help of television, we can collect or we can gather many information which we want. And we come to know about the latest news about country and the world. So turn your page. On page number 16, you can see, students, they have shown us a sports on TV and Discovery channels on TV. You can see both the channels here, sports they are showing, and here they are showing a Discovery HD channels. So this is how television help us to gather information. Now next sources of information is mobile phones. You all know about mobile phones. Now also with the help of mobile phones only we are taking our online classes. We can share information by sending messages from the mobile phone. Now, as if now we are gathering informations from television and from the newspaper. Now we are gathering the information with the help of mobile phones. But in mobile phones, by sending a messages, you can share the information to another persons. We can also call and talk to others to share information. If you get to know about some news, you can call your friends and you can talk to them to share the information. We can also share pictures, music and videos with others using the mobile phones. So we all know with the help of mobile phone you can share pictures, music, videos. This basically in mobile phone we have some application which help us to share the information in the form of pictures, in the form of music or videos. You can see here on figure 3.3.1 talking on mobile phone and watching a video on mobile phone. Now also you are watching a video on mobile phone. Nowadays we find educational application on smart mobile phones. Nowadays educational applications also available on mobile phones which help students to learn better, to understand better. You can see here in page number figure 3.3 they have shown us a mobile application which is helping the students for learning about addition. We find all sort of educational applications from rhymes to language learning and mathematics to science. All subject, all language learning is possible with the help of mobile phone. Many educational applications are available. Some are chargeable, some are free. So with the help of educational application you can learn better about maths, science, languages, poems or about any subject. So this is how a mobile phone is a sources of information. Now let's proceed further toward page number 17. Last source of information is computer. So we all know computer that you can see in this picture. Here it is keyboard, monitor, it is there, mouse is there, right? This boy is playing a game on computer. Today the computer is the best way to share information. So nowadays computer is the best way for sharing information. You can use the computer to play educational series, read stories, watch videos, play educational games. So on computer you can play CDs or as also you can read stories with the help of internet. You can watch videos and you can play educational games as well. You can see in this picture this boy is playing an educational game over here. With the internet you can get information about anything in a couple of seconds. So with the help of computer you can do this activities as well, and you can gather or you can collect any kind of information just in a few seconds with the help of search engine. So today we learn about sources of information. In that we learn about newspaper and magazines which help us to gather the latest information about the country and the world. And magazines also help us to know the latest information about country and world. It comes with a text and few pictures. There are different types of magazines available in the market. You prefer to choose which kind of magazines you want. Next we learn about television. So there are different categories of channels available on television which help you to collect the information or to gather the information, whether you can watch a news channel, you can watch discovery channels, you can watch sports channels as well to gather the information. Next we learn about mobile phones. So mobile phones, with the help of mobile phones you can share information by sending messages or by calling or by with the help of mobile phone. Next thing, there are many educational applications available on mobile phone which help you to understand better, to learn better. You can learn about science, mathematics or any languages you can learn with the help of educational application. Next we have learned about computer. So computer help us to play educational CDs, read stories, watch videos and educational games we can play on computer. And second thing, with the help of internet you can gather or you can find any information in few seconds. So I hope students you all have understood the sources of information. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can call me or message me on my personal number. I will send you this exercise number 3 in your textbook and your notebook you have to complete. Till then, take care yourself. Thank you.